In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and this arrow at the top left one to go back. Following that, you can copy or cut any text, and to paste it right away, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it, and click on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on pin icon over here. If you want to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!